Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to download and install VirtualBox with extension pack. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a step-by-step guide to download and install VirtualBox along with the extension pack. Make sure virtualization support is turned on in the BIOS or UEFI. Download VirtualBox and download the extension pack. Go to the VirtualBox download page. Choose the appropriate platform package for your operating system. Download the installer file. Download the extension pack file that matches your VirtualBox version. Install VirtualBox. Run the installer file you downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Install the extension pack. Open VirtualBox. Click on the three lines icon and select Extensions. Click the Install button. Browse to the location where you downloaded the extension pack file and select it. Follow the prompts to install the extension pack. That's it. You should now have VirtualBox and the extension pack installed and ready to use. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.